total and utter good morning coming at you from Peter on top of Penycloddiau. And you can see the little moundy thing behind me. Yes, it's just there. So I'm between Moyle Park Mast and Moyle Vamai. And this was an ancient Iron Age hill fort with great views all over the valley. You can see whenever your enemy or your friend is coming, and in time it has been sort of superseded by those who live at the bottom, including you and me. Fantastic day. You know, there's a bit of cloud, well, there's a lot of cloud cover, so not pristine views per se, but what a fantastic day to come out. And if you're ever bored, you know, come out and have a look at some of the stuff around here. You know, that cairn for one, and also, what about this heather? And the odd caterpillar wending its way. Fantastic day. So I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Bye.